Hello dear traders, this is Petko Alexandrov and today is the 7th of December 2017. The generator is ready and I have in the collection 100 strategies for H1 chart and as well I have 100 strategies for H4 chart. So what I will do now is I will test these strategies for the period of the last month. I will go to tools and from data horizon I will include the last 1 month. So I will just remove the tick which disables to use the end date limit, and this will include the last 1 month. So one more time guys, I have created the collection of strategies for the Ethereum on H1 and H4 but without using the last 1 month. Okay, so now when I click on recalculate, you can see here I have 10 strategies on each page and I have 10 pages. So watch carefully what will happen now. I click on recalculate and EA Studio recalculates how many of those strategies continue to be on the profitable side. And you can see something very interesting actually, that some of the strategies have made a great profit during the last month. So this is the totally same thing guys if I keep these 100 strategies on a demo account. Okay, very easy. You see I have done it just with one click. Okay, couple of clicks to add the last 1 month, but one click recalculate, I'm including the last 1 month and you see now the date is yesterday. So basically now I have 99 strategies that were profitable as well during the last 1 month. And very important, this shows how EA Studio is creating actually robust strategies. So simply guys, I will do the same thing for H4 chart. I'm going to tools, you can see the date here is 4th of November. I'm going to tools and I will click on data import, actually data horizon, sorry. Okay, so here I as well remove this tick and this way I am including the last 1 month. Okay, and when I click on recalculate, you will see what will happen. Let's see how many strategies will pass the test. All of the strategies, this is just fantastic guys. Normally what I see is that 70, 60, sometimes 50, sometimes 30, really depends on the asset that we choose, how long time I have run the generator, but in this case I have run it for a long time. So basically I have many strategies that showed great profit, and even including the last 1 month history data, they still show profit. Okay, so what I'm doing now guys, I need to select from the two collections total 99 strategies. So probably I will choose like 50 from one and 49 from the other. Why I cannot put 100? Because the maximum in MetaTrader is 99, and that's why actually I choose to add in the course 99 strategies, just like my Bitcoin course. So simply guys, this is the maximum in MetaTrader. Obviously I can provide you with hundreds of strategies, but you need to load it into MetaTraders. Not really necessary to do 100, actually 99 is more than enough guys for you to choose the top performers out of the 99. Okay, I went to the 10th page where are the strategies with less profit, and you can see that these strategies during the last month they remained profitable but they went on a loss. So I will start removing these strategies. Okay, and I will just simply leave the ones that had a good profit as well during the last month and not having this drawn down. Okay, so probably these strategies were a little bit over optimized, so EA Studio just found very good parameters for this strategy. So when I just tested them now for the last 1 month, they showed some losses, and we want to avoid having such strategies into our collection. You can see the strategy has some drawn down here, but not really huge. I can see like $80–90, not really huge drawn down. You can see there is one here, but then it recovered, and now again, and now it starts to recover. So let me just keep it for the moment. I will remove the others which are with worse profit lines at the end. I will just go to 8th page and I will start removing strategies from here. So basically guys, what you see is that I'm not going into each strategy to look into the indicators. I have done that many times, and I have concluded that actually EA Studio works well, does its job, and I don't need to analyze it and to change something in the strategies, because obviously guys, this is why I'm using this professional software, to rely on it, okay? And it proved to me obviously that it creates profitable strategies, so I don't need to spend time into each strategy to change some things and to, but most important is that I will lose time, guys, okay? And time recently in trading is very precious, especially with the cryptocurrencies. We need to be very quick, we need to move fast, we need to create strategies very quickly if we don't want to actually miss these volatile moves that are happening on the market, okay? So I keep removing the strategies. Simply, one more time, all I care about is the net profit, and this is the profit line of each strategy. And if it's losing recently during the last 1 month that I have tested it over, I am removing the strategy, okay? And if you have any questions about how I'm selecting the strategies, you're welcome to ask me. But one more time, the most important thing we care about is the profit line. Is it stable profit line? We don't want to have huge drawdowns, okay? Huge drawdowns, like huge stagnations, like for example here you see a drawdown, but it's for a short period of time, then it recovered. But if it was like that during the whole period and then it recovered, I don't want to have such strategy that it will stay a long time into stagnation, okay? This is called stagnation, the period when the strategy is not doing profit but it's actually losing. It's called stagnation. Okay, let's continue lower. You can see here such a great profit line, guys, very stable, even including the last 1 month. You can see here drawdown, then the profit line just goes sideways. I will remove this one. So let me just have a look how many I have left. 55. So I will remove 5 more strategies. Okay, these ones are losing recently, and this one as well. And I will do the same with H1 chart, guys, and then I will remove 1 more strategy from the 2. So totally I will remain with 99 strategies, okay? So 1 more from here. Let me just have a look. This one, but not really losing too much recently. Let me go back to the last page. Okay, I will remove this strategy that I left earlier, but obviously the others are having better profits, okay? So now I have into the collection 50 strategies, guys, that are having nice profit lines. They're having net profit more than $500, but actually I'm not looking really at the net profit and the profit per day, because for the purpose of this course I have selected 1 trading lot, okay, which with the Ethereum is small amount. Again, I say in my courses, I don't want to suggest you any trading volume. I don't want to suggest you any starting amount, guys. It's your choice. I have just opened a huge demo account, and it's really no matter with how much. Obviously, if I put 10 trading lots here, I will have $29 per day, and I will have net profit of $5,530. Okay, and actually $32.30. So simply, guys, really no matter here. Don't look too much in the net profit and the profit per day, because what we care about is a stable profit line. And after that, when you start trading on demo, when you see the profits, the losses, because some of the strategies will be profiting, some will be losing, you will decide for yourself with how much you want to start the trading. Probably you want to start first with a small trading account, with couple of expert advisors, because this is the idea. From all the expert advisors, we create them, we test them, and we test them 1 more time for 1 month, and then we test them 1 more time on the demo, and we place the top performers. So you will decide with how much you want to start and what trading lot you want to use, okay? So now I am going to H1 strategies, and I will need to select another 50 out of the 99. So obviously I will not select, but I will exclude, I will just remove these losing recent strategies. You can see the strategies, so they stayed above 100,000, still profitable, but there were losses during the last 1 month, and I want to remove these strategies, guys, because this is the test of the last 1 month that I'm doing, and you can see how nicely it shows the strategies that are losing recently. And I better do this thing here instead of doing it into the demo account, or worse, to place these strategies on live account and they will just start losing according to the latest data. Because guys, what you need to understand is that these strategies doesn't mean they are not profitable. They are not profitable just simply with the recent historical data of the last 1 month. And this is very normal with the cryptocurrencies because they are more and more volatile, and it's really harder to... Sorry guys, I just entered in one of the strategies. So what I was saying is that we need to use the strategies that are showing profit recently, and actually by placing the 99 on demo account, what I will show you, and selecting the top performers at the current moment is the only way that we can use strategies that are making profit according to the latest history data, okay? According to the latest movements and market conditions. So I keep removing here because you can see these strategies are simply having losses recently. Now here a little bit things are changing and improving. So on the 6th page I see some strategies that are having not such huge loss recently but still losing. So I'll just keep on removing these strategies. Okay, also this one I don't want to have it as well. These I will remove. And what we have here, let's go to the 5th page. Actually this is it, 50 strategies. Okay, so you can see the strategies recently, they're just going up and down, up and some down, but not really huge drawdowns at the end. There are some, but this is actually very normal move and drawdown in a strategy. Simply on H4 guys, much better profit lines, but I want to diversify the risk between H1 and H4. If H4 continues doing better for you, for example, as it shows on the profit lines here, simply the top performers will be on H4 and you will use H4. So I want to give you the choice here if you want to trade on H1 or on H4. And obviously guys, you will see a lot of movements there. You will see how the expert advisors are changing and how actually some are having more profits than they had before, some are having losses more than they were having before. So our job will be to monitor. Okay, this one you can see huge period of time is going down and I will remove it. Okay, so I have here 49 strategies for H1 chart. I will download this collection to make sure not to lose it or to delete some strategy by mistake. And as well, I will download the collection for H4 chart. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will export the strategies and I will place them on the demo account, but I will show you how I'm doing that in the next lecture. Cheers guys, thank you for watching, bye.